Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on Euro JPY. So let's start with our trend, which is our daily time frame. If you have to zoom it out, you clearly can see that we are on an uptrend move. Market is giving us very much, you clearly can see that this is clearly an uptrend move. That is it on the daily time frame. Now, take a look at this movement. I want you guys to understand something. Let's, for quick analysis, let's start from here. Here is our high. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. This is an equal higher low. So markets came here as an equal higher low. And guess what? That equal higher low eventually served as our demand zone, whereby markets eventually pushed up, thereby forming a new high, taking out this previous high. Now markets eventually started giving us a pullback on the daily time frame. This is our higher low. So now that we've gotten this higher low, what next do you expect on EURJPY? Of course, we should be expecting what? A new higher high. So this week, we should be expecting a bullish move. So we are currently trading at 175. Our target for this week should be a level of 177. If we do not hit a level of 177 this week, we are possibly good. Like there's possibility that we would hit the level next week. So within this week and upper one, we are likely to hit a level of 177. That is it on our EURJPY. Now take a look at this. Market rejected from this bottom multiple times. Markets came here, rejected, bounce up, came here, rejected, bounce up. So it has rejected from this multiple times. With what I'm seeing here, I see this as a first breakout, and I'll be expecting market to eventually push up again. At least for this week, say tap a level of 176. So my next movement on EURJPY would be a level of 176. If we break above this level, we are likely to tap a level of 177. If not, it will likely tap a level of 176. That should be at least about 100 pips we would likely catch this week on EURJPY. So just subscribe and follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link in the comment section.